In this tutorial, I will explain how to make the glitch effect on a photo or image and the text in the same image with Photoshop. We can define the glitch effect, which can be seen in both photos and videos, as the distortion effect in photos and text. By following the glitch technique in this tutorial and learning its logic, you can create creative designs. To create the glitch effect in Photoshop, first open the image. I have also added a text on this image so that I will also try to show you how to apply glitch effects on the text. So it will be a 2-in-1 tutorial. If you want, you can apply the edits that I will show you in a moment to only your image or only to your text. I created a copy of the image with Ctrl J and I right click on this image and select blending options. I will see a window like this. In this window, under the blending options tab, you will see the channels field, which you probably never felt the need to use before. There are 3 values: red, green, blue. In order to create this glitch effect, we uncheck the green and blue here and click OK. After clicking OK, this image is actually an image with only red. We can't see the difference here. There is another image on the bottom layer, which is the original photo here, where all the RGB marks are selected. If we move the top image, then we will understand why we are doing this. I'm moving the image a little bit to the right, so that we can give this glitch effect. This will completely depend on your visual, so there are no fixed things, but I'm trying to explain the basic logic. Now here, we have added the most basic distortion feature of the glitch effect by subtracting these other 2 colors. Now let's distort some areas on the image. Let's distort some areas so that it looks much more realistic. So I'm duplicating the original image again with Ctrl J. Don't forget the layer with the glitch effect at the top. We can even name it. Now we are going to make some edits to this image on top of the one we just duplicated. I select the Marquee Rectangle tool. This will be a selection. Let's draw some rectangles around the main object in the image. We can also apply these arrangements on the letters. Once we have defined these areas, we will use the mask property. With these areas selected on the layer, I click on this little mask icon here. I clicked on the icon. When we click on the mask subject here, this layer mask property automatically becomes selected. We are going to select the image 1 to the left of it. I click on it. This is now selected. I select the move tool and I can move this image by clicking the right arrow to the right from the keyboard. Now we are going to use a similar technique to move it to the left. So I hover over the main image again and copy it with Ctrl J again. Now we are going to do the same thing we just did for this layer. And this time we are going to shift it to the left. I'm selecting the Marquee tool again. I'm selecting again where I didn't select before. I'm selecting on the text in the same way and let's make a selection here. Okay, let's even make one like this. What we did just now, I click on the mask icon, I click on the mask subject again, I click on the image here, I select the move tool and I move the image by pressing the left key on the keyboard this time. I moved the image to the left and we have increased the distortion a little bit more. This is the basic logic of the glitch effect. As I just mentioned, you can increase or decrease these ratios according to your text, according to your image. Then you can save this image, this work, as JPEG or PNG and use it in the area you want to use. That's all for this video. If today's video was useful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you for watching.